far away, take me out. If I die to be on my own ground now.
Alrighty, so we're going on video number 2 now. Yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit more interesting. We're actually gonna get wrapped up and get the car loaded tonight and get her on the trailer and go head out to IMI tomorrow. Go do a little testing, see how the supercharger runs. I swapped out all the belts and that other pulley I was talking about in the last video. Everything was squeaking. Now everything doesn't squeak. It sounds all nice and quiet and beautiful. So we're gonna get this loaded up. Get a couple things done first. I actually went over to Wine Country Motorsports, picked up some hood latches because I had to get rid of mine stock one from the car because of the supercharger kit. Even went and picked up some Puma race gloves and some cheap fucking race shoes. Gonna start driving with these and see how it feels since I haven't had any. But yeah, we're gonna get loaded up today and then crash tonight, get up early in the morning and go slay some tires. Yeah, got the shitty U-Haul trailer again. One of these days I'm gonna actually get me a damn trailer. But fresh stack of feds. I needed a couple steer tires. And then I wanted a fresh set to burn on with the new supercharger and see how it all feels and see what I'm gonna plan on running for the season and how wide and everything in the back end, depending on how grip is and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm gonna get these hood pins and whatnot thrown on and loaded up while I'm waiting on another kid to bring me his BRZ to check out some suspension in the rear that's clunking or something. Alrighty, well it is freaking cold out today. I don't know why it's so goddamn cold. No, maybe because it's fucking winter. But we got all loaded up. I didn't record any of it because it's so damn cold. I was just trying to get shit done. Got tires, got some new feds for tomorrow, some new steers. You probably can't see anything because it's so damn dark. But got baby girl loaded up, hood on, bumper on. You probably can't see it, but I got the hood latches in and done. That was pretty easy and quick. So no more hood flying up problem. That's gonna be nice. But I actually have all my bumpers on the trailer, which I don't usually ever do, but we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't fly off halfway up there. That'd kind of suck, but you know, whatever. But I know there's like one other dude I think coming up to go drift and shit tomorrow. I'm bringing my laptop and everything and gonna test and tune the car and see what happens and try to get everything dialed in. So when I go up, I don't know what everybody else does, but I kind of get a little out of control and bring way too much stuff. Well, I got like extra tie rod ends and everything, and every damn tool I could possibly think, and a whole bucket of bolts and whatnot. But I like to go prepared. But so anyways, Angel's car is all pulled up here, looking all nice with Mountain Dew on top. But yeah, so we're gonna go home, crash, take it easy, and get up in the morning. Hopefully it's not too cold. I know it's supposed to be like 60 degrees tomorrow on Wednesday. Go have a little middle of the week bash. It's gonna be fun. Alrighty, morning, good morning. So just got in the truck, all warmed up. I actually gotta go head over to the shop. I forgot my fire extinguisher over there, and kind of want to have that just in case, you know. Never a bad thing to have a safety tool. But yeah, so we're gonna head over to the shop, go get that, go get a vacuum pump for bleeding brakes. One of the guys is coming up, he's just had a Hydro e-brake installed, and I guess it's super soft and his brakes are all soft, and so we're gonna try to get that fixed for him this morning while we're out there. But yeah, otherwise we're gonna head over to the shop, grab that, then get going on IMI. We'll slay some tires today. Got out to IMI, or actually been out here for a minute. The track's got a bunch of snow on it everywhere, so I actually went and just scraped all the heavy spots to get it to melt a little quicker. Did like the whole damn front side. There's quite a bit of snow out there. I guess it didn't get very warm last night or yesterday. I was hoping it would melt a little more. But we're here. Got the car here. All my bumpers stayed on, so that's cool. Nothing flew off. So we're gonna get this girl unloaded. I actually made a couple changes to my tune last night while I was sitting at home. So I'm gonna program in the new tune into the car, get her all unloaded, get it running, let it warm up, and then let that snow melt a little more. Then we're gonna go start tuning and testing and have a little fun. But yeah, so, alrighty, well, we got all loaded up now, heading home. Didn't record too much out there, as you can see from the video, not too much driving. I was just focusing on trying to get my tune figured out, and it was a pain in the ass, just fighting it all damn day. Pretty frustrating day, actually, altogether. I had it running pretty good a couple times, like the power band felt good, and it was boosting right, and everything felt smooth going through the power band, but it was just running way too lean. I don't know, it like starts off rich and then runs lean right when it warms up. I don't know what the hell's fighting me right now. Probably because I'm running things weird in the system and trying to run the system kind of not the way it should be ran, but it's alright. Maybe we'll go and do it the normal way now that things aren't working the way I wanted to. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. We're gonna just head home and unload and call it a day. Try this again tomorrow maybe. So yeah.